Hello and welcome to day 8 of 12 Days of Agent 2. And today we're launching Invideo Folders and Connect. I'm Urmil, product marketer here at Invideo.
And I'm Dhruv, I lead the enterprise GTM team.
You can invite anyone from inside your organization or external to your organization to work on a specific folder and the projects within that folder without actually adding seats to your plan or buying more seats.
And what this does is it lets you keep your work confidential. Say you have multiple teams, right? Team A is working on a particular project, Team B is working on another project. They don't have access to each other's data or assets. What you simply do is create a folder and invite the right set of people.
Yeah, so instead of inviting someone to your entire workspace and them getting access to everything in that workspace and this whole operational nightmare of adding someone to the workspace and then removing them once the project is done, all of that is not needed. You just invite someone into the folder that they're working on and all of the collaborative work happens there. They don't get access to everything else. And that's just what folders and connects is. So we want to show you exactly how to use this next. Let's talk about private folders first. Let's say they're an agency with multiple teams. Team A is working on a private launch and Team B is working on, say, a film with a sensitive IP. You don't want them looking at each other's work. So what you're going to do is you can create a private folder for Team A where they're looking at the projects and content only for the launch, and another private folder for Team B where they're looking at the content only on the sensitive IP film. And none of those two teams have access to each other's folders and projects. And that just keeps everything completely confidential.
So next is budget, right? In case you're a studio, a brand, or an agency, you usually have a budget for a particular project. What you can do is you can set a limit for that project. You can also have individual members and set budgets for them in terms of what their limits are. The best part is in case they run out of budgets, your credit pool is safe. And in case you want to add more credits as an admin, you can always do that. Now, let's say you want to bring in someone externally, maybe an agency for a brand campaign. You invite the agency folks to Invideo Connect, no seats added. They can be on any plan. They don't need to be on enterprise. And all the credits used are theirs, not yours.
And talking about permissions, you have admins and members. The way it's structured is as an admin, you have complete flexibility on how you want to manage access and who can do what within your team. And inside a folder, it's proper multiplayer, right? Because everyone that's working on that project or on that campaign is pulling from the same crew of agents, they're pulling from the same context. And once the work is done, you just simply remove the team from the folder. And if you're working externally, all of the assets that were created on that project within that folder, they still remain with you because they were created on your workspace. So they belong to you. It's your property.
So that's folders and connect. You decide who comes in. You decide what gets spent. Bringing and removing people is as simple as it gets. It just takes a few seconds.
Invideo Folders and Connects is live on Invideo.io for everyone on the Teams and Enterprise plan. So go check it out today. We are very excited to see how you use this feature.